everybody, JaLingo's expression of the week is forthright. This is a term used to describe a child trying to act more mature than their actual age. Other meanings. Forthright is often used to describe young girls who dress up to look older than their actual age. This is also a local metaphor for fruits or children that seem to mature quickly but actually lack substance. So for example, you would hear this expression being used in a situation such as this. Kupani like a forthright picnic would dress up and I use one bag of makeup like big woman. This would actually mean, take a look at this premature child that is so dressed up and full of makeup like an older woman. Related words include unnaturally mature and precocious. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Hoy! You soon get it.